So many of you have been asking about my toddler's updated hair routine. Her hair has been flourishing, and today I'm sharing exactly what's been working for us. If you've been struggling to keep your little one's hair healthy and growing, you want to watch this right to the end. All right, Mama. So my daughter's 2, and her updated regimen is super simple but really effective. So I moisturize her hair once a week to keep it conditioned, soft, and protected. By the way, if you've ever felt like your little one's hair just isn't growing no matter what you do, it's probably not what you think. I'm hosting a free masterclass on September 18th where I reveal the real reason behind stalled growth and breakage and share my proven 5-step system that's helping moms see results and confidently care for their little one's hair. Seats are limited though, mama, so grab your spot using a link in the description box before they're all gone. I wash her hair every 2 weeks. Previously, I would wash her hair every week, but as her hair needs have changed, I have now switched to bi-weekly, as I mentioned. And every single wash day, I follow up with a deep conditioner. This is something that I have started recently. Previously, I would only use a rinse out conditioner after I shampoo her hair, but now using a deep conditioner, this has really taken things to the next level. Only detangle her hair on wash days using my fingers first and then a detangling brush. Outside of wash days, I don't detangle her hair. If I really need to, I will use my fingers. And then once a month, I clarify to really cleanse her scalp and reset her hair because mama, build up is real. For styling, you know me already, I keep it simple, tension-free, and protective. Most of the time, the hair is in simple plaits, and then on the weekends, I switch things up with, for example, puffs, braid outs, or other quick styles that let her hair breathe and also allow me to show her hair off. At night, she always wears her bonnet to bed. This makes a huge difference in reducing breakage and keeping her hair moisturized for longer. Mama, just in case you're wondering, I haven't started trimming her hair yet, but as her hair continues to grow and when needed, that will eventually become a part of her routine. And something just as important as her hair regimen, products, hair care practices, and styling, she eats well. She loves her food, drinks loads of water. She doesn't even have any juice, to be honest. She's never had juice or any drinks before. She just loves drinking water. And I also give her her multivitamins every day. These healthy habits make such a difference in her hair flourishing from the inside out. Mama, this simple regimen has been keeping my daughter's hair healthy, flourishing, and stress-free for me. If you want to know exactly how I, wash and moisturize her hair, step by step, make sure you watch the videos showing on the bottom left and right hand corner of your screen where I walk you through her full wash day and moisturizing routine.